Arts Centre Melbourne's currently in the first phase of a redevelopment, which includes an updated state theatre, an expanded loading dock, a new event space and function space, new green room and stage door, a new western entry to our building, which will also introduce a western food and beverage and northern food and beverage outlet.
Probably the biggest challenge of the project has been designing the basement extension to the Arts Centre building. It's a 12-metre deep excavation, about 76 metres long. Over the next 8 months, you'll see 2 to 3 piling rigs working their way around the site. They'll be supplied with concrete and steel reinforcement cages by various trucks travelling in and out of the site.
Before we could bring in these big rigs behind us, we had to make sure the ground was capable to hold the heavy machinery that was coming through. There was a series of existing in-ground piles. We had to remove 37 steel piles that had been in the ground for about 40 years, which was a pretty exciting and unique exercise for us to do. We had to prepare a piling mat, which is effectively the platform that these piling rigs work on. We have over 330 piles, and they're a combination of board piles and CFA piles. These have been selected for a variety of reasons, one of the main ones being the low impact to the surrounding neighbours and community from a noise and a vibration perspective.
Given the complexity of the project, we're working closely with our government project partners and our builder, Lendlease, and our consultants to solve complex engineering as well as heritage design issues.
What I'm most excited about this project is a couple of things. Firstly, the fact that it's such a city-shaping project. In the shorter term though, we've got a very complex and unique basement structure being built, which is very exciting.
Probably one of the most exciting things for this project is having the chance to redevelop one of Melbourne's most iconic buildings. Since this opened its doors in 1984, it hasn't had a major refurbishment.
We're excited to embark on this next phase of our journey, redeveloping the Arts Centre for all Victorians, for all Australians, and for anyone around the world who wishes to come and see performances here.